Okay,
So wait, this Clutter Clarity is powered by Mr. Floor Cleaning Products. And Mr. Floor Cleaning Products are all on non-toxic and environmentally safe, and you can learn more at mrfloor.com. Skipping the song, going straight to the rotten food. Go ahead, Robbie. It's all yours.
Well, I forgot the can opener, but I go to a lot of homes and I clean.
Which one you want? Give me something to open.
Would you like bad tomato paste?
I have a bottle opener right there. It says bitte ein Bit
all right,
on it.
you could start with this one.
And then.
But that you don't need an opener for.
No. That's just some salsa, right?
Well, open it.
You kind of need chips for that generally, right?
You got some expired chips. There we go.
You don't need chips. You just need a spoon. Go get a spoon. You just need a spoon.
Yeah.
This smells good. It's fine.
Yeah, that's fine.
And it's chunky salsa, and it's a mild one.
Yeah.
You don't have okay. So anyway.
And it smells fine.
When I go to clients' places, and there's lots of.
You should try talking into a microphone.
I'm trying.
We need to get her a headset.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, so I go to places, and then here's some cans of food that don't even have. Ooh, I was able to push it. Does that mean it's bad?
Yeah, that's very bad.
Yeah.
Okay, so.
But that's tomato sauce.
Right. There's no dates on here, which scares me because.
No, that's fine.
This is fine?
Yeah, that's fine. Here, let me see it.
Okay,
because it's just pushing the bottom out as the top's going in at the same time, so you're okay.
But this one's not.
Yeah.
So why don't you open that up and see what it smells like? So I go through a lot of homes that have expired food, and you want to look at the dates and see if it says Best Buy. What does Best Buy really mean? Because
it's a place where you buy all your electronics.
According to the government, the only thing that's required to have dates on it are infant formula and baby foods. Those are the only things that are required.
Really?
Right. Mm-hmm. Some states mandate pulling dairy once the expiration date hits.
But you don't need it.
Right. Now, they're talking about things like, for example, canned goods. They say 2 to 5 years after a Best Buy date. Well, if it doesn't have a Best Buy date, who knows how old that is? So what you're going to do with food, they say, is you look for taste, smell, and see what things look like.
Mm-hmm.
Now, tomato products, this was Best Buy December of last year, so that's 8 months old. But Randall's saying...
That's fine. That one was fine. I already tasted that one.
Yeah, that one's
How
totally
did you
fine.
taste it?
I stuck my finger in it.
Mm-hmm.
Well, now you're taking it home.
No, I'm not.
Well, then, I can't believe you stuck your finger in it.
I didn't stick my finger in it.
He did. He did. So, okay, so for example, here's a can of olives.
See, now that's right there on that. That's fine.
You just tasted that, but it's bulging.
Yeah.
You're going to get... Wait, you guys didn't say that you don't hold me responsible.
There you go. Just stick your finger in there. That's fine.
Yeah,
it's fine. It's okay.
Yeah, that smells great.
There's no date on that.
But unfortunately, botulism doesn't smell, which is what worries me.
So it'll be fine.
So what you're looking for is...
You inject people all the time with botulism, right? Don't they do that?
Isn't it? It is.
Okay, so here's coconut
Gets rid
milk.
of wrinkles.
I don't like coconut.
That's 14 years old.
I don't.
Is
But I
this
don't.
No.
Why?
It's fine.
Why is that not good, Randall?
I mean,
I just don't like coconut.
Yeah, I don't like coconut milk, number one. And number two, let me see it real quick. Yeah, it feels fine. Generally, a lot of foods that are very prone to botulism will have the pop top. So, like the salsa here is a perfect example.
Yeah.
It's a safety top, so when it's on,
it's sealed.
It's sealed. But if there's something in there that's brewing and building, that pop top will shoot up, and then you can feel it, and that's when you need to throw it away.
And that's when you know it's no bueno.
Exactly.
Okay, we're opening your milk. Do you like coconut milk?
I'm not eating it.
You want to smell this then?
So here are some...
You want some coconut milk?
Chocolate chip, chewy coated granola bars.
It's really good
that
rice.
are 6 years old.
Oh, yeah.
Randall.
All day long.
Go, Randall.
I'll take those home.
No,
with me.
open one up.
All day long.
You have to eat
that's
it.
That's like a Twinkie right there.
Yeah, there's so much preservatives in these things that you'll be fine.
There shouldn't be preservatives in these things.
But
why? Because it says homemade.
And here you go. You have peanut butter. What's it like?
That's got chunkies in it.
That's no bueno.
Yeah, that's nasty right there. Here, go ahead.
Smell it. Ooh,
Oh, there you
go. My lip touched
it. This has got chunkies rolling around it. How old was this one?
That's
You said
It was
16
on the
years old.
bottom. I can't remember.
You said 16 years
It's on
old.
the bottom. Turn it over and take a look.
Ew.
Here you
Yeah.
go.
Or ask him what
So
time it is.
gross.
Yeah, what time is it? What is it?
Oh, the expiration of 8504 with this.
Excellent.
So
14
it's
years.
only 14 years old.
Yeah.
Okay, so then here's some.
Is this my granola bar or is this for
that's-
Randall too?
No, that's yours.
Okay.
Some garden fresh tea
Now
from
wait,
Harrods.
that might make him sick just because it's healthy on its own.
Yeah.
yeah.
It's not Popeyes.
He'll go into shock.
Yeah.
Well, look at this. This is on a box of Harrods tea. It says
Yeah.
use separate teapots for different types of tea.
That's gonna be
Correct.
Yeah, that's
Never
totally
correct?
fine. Ew.
Uh-huh.
Why would
Yeah,
you
'cause
use
if
this?
you-
gross.
They're gross.
Because if
That's
you use
just
like
nasty. I
breakfast
don't-
tea or heavier teas, and then you do like green tea, the green tea is
No.
so light that the pot would be contaminated from the heavier teas.
But wouldn't you wash the pot in between?
Well, you should, but doesn't mean you always do.
And don't most people just heat the water in a pot and then pour it?
Not English. The English always put their hot water from the boiler into the pot and then put the bags in the or loose tea in the pot and let it stew or steep in that.
Oh my gosh, I never knew that. Now this says never wash a teapot in detergent, simply rinse and dry.
Well, that would also
Okay,
go
so
back to
here's
your
a
first
box
statement.
of tea from Harrods from 1998.
That's still good.
Rich,
At least
would you like
Harrods,
this?
Harrods is still there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's just tea.
What
It's
do you do
dry.
with
There's
that
nothing
tea?
wrong with that.
Right, and if it's still in a wrap package, which
Yeah,
it
it's
appears
sealed.
to be.
So here's
then
in a
it's fine.
beautifully sealed package of tea from
Teas-
2014. Look at that. It's so beautiful.
Teas are fine.
Teas are fine.
Yeah.
Teas are fine.
There's nothing. There's no moisture in it to make it go bad.
Right.
Okay,
Here,
cranberry
put
sauce.
Put that with your. Yeah, I don't like cranberry sauce.
You don't want to open it?
I can open it. How old is it?
It's 6 years old.
Oh, it'll be fine.
Diet Swiss Miss. Nobody's going to
No.
drink the Diet Swiss Miss.
No, you can toss that right now.
Come on. And this is
There's no
from-
sense in even making that. You either have hot chocolate or you don't.
Exactly. Diet.
How about, and this is a
No,
big thing,
it's beautiful.
pasta. There's no date on the pasta.
It's fine.
Pasta's
it's
Yeah,
fine.
that's dehydrated.
Yeah, that's gonna be
That's
fine.
Okay,
Cook
so
cook that puppy up. You're good to go.
thank you guys.
That
The
was
show that went really, really fast.
that was easy.
That was easy.
We got potato starch. What's that stuff? You hanging wallpaper or
Here,
something?
I have Mrs. Grass's soup mix
Oh, that'll
from
be fine, too.
2014.
That's fine.
Mighty
That's
House
fine.
will return.